we've always been very insecure about our success, because you know what, we saw the dip. Like, I remember the dip, in 2008 or 9 when New Again came out. We played Jimmy Kimmel, and the last time that we played there, it was outside, right? And everything, like, it was packed. I mean, you couldn't get another person in there. And then when we went on this time, I was sitting there with Adam, and we were about to go on in like 15, 20 minutes. And I was like, and we were looking out, and there was not a lot of people there. Right. And I was like, because we never had gotten that yet. It always had been a slow progression of more and more and more and more. And then all of a sudden it was just like, oh no, this is what they're talking about. Like the flop album or whatever that is. And man, that's a rough thing to deal with when you haven't dealt with it yet. But like, we could have stopped playing, but we didn't. We got that was really the to get Sean and John back in the band. Like, it was so dysfunctional at that point that I remember thinking, like, the only way that this could possibly work out is if John and Sean come back. That's the only fucking way, or else I'm out. I'm out of here, because I don't want to. I'm not having fun with the people that I'm doing this with. So what's the point?
Yeah, and Sean actually said that the way you marked them into getting Sean back in there.
I marked the shit out of everybody for that one.
Mark made it happen.